Hi everyone, it's Al, also known as Crazy Al from electriccarconversionblog.com, and what I'm going to demonstrate today is this series wound brush DC motor in action and being controlled via this Kelly Controls KDZ48400 motor controller. I've got various associated parts for this demonstration to occur, such as the batteries, 24 volts, associated cables, fuses, main contactor with associated parts like the diode and the pre-charge resistor. Obviously I've got the Kelly Controls controller here, the motor, and there's this control box right here which has the power, won't be using reverse. It's got the throttle, so that's what we'll be using today, just having a look at using the throttle. Here's a wiring diagram. Just note the items in pink are the items and the connections I used. With J2, that goes to the control box, but I did not highlight the things from J2, or many of the things from J2, because I'm not really sure what's inside the control box. So yeah, so let's get started. Let's turn it on. Probably heard the click from the main contactor. Green light's on here. I'm going to start it now, so I'm going to turn the throttle. We'll open the throttle. Pretty loud. Hold down. Open the throttle up again. Give it a bit of a rev. There you have it. That's a demonstration of this series wound brush DC motor in action and being controlled via this Kelly Controls KDZ48400 controller. Thanks for watching.